Welcome back to Product Critique, where we provide honest reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. In today's episode, we're diving into the Klipdasse Wall Mount Kit for the PS5. This sleek accessory promises to enhance your gaming setup with its unique features. Let's get started with the details. The Klipdasse Wall Mount Kit is designed to accommodate both PS5 Slim and PS5 Disc and Digital Edition consoles. It offers a wide range of features, including a dual charging station, RGB lighting effects, USB expansion ports, and a headset holder. The wall mount kit is compatible with various PS5 models, ensuring versatility in your gaming setup. Whether you have a PS5 Slim or a Disc and Digital Edition, this accessory has you covered. One standout feature is the built-in rechargeable dock for DualSense and Edge DualSense controllers. It provides fast charging, taking only 3 to 4 hours for a full charge, while also keeping your controllers neatly organized. This wall mount includes 3 USB expansion ports, which are incredibly convenient for data transfer and charging other devices. Expand your gaming space's functionality with ease. Elevate your gaming ambiance with the 15 customizable RGB lighting modes. Choose from dynamic options like strobe, radiant, and steady light to create a captivating visual experience. Crafted from premium steel, this wall mount is not only rust-resistant but also features a ventilated design for improved heat dissipation. Ensure the safety and longevity of your PS5 console. The product comes with detailed instructions for installation, although some users have noted that they had to source their own drywall anchors. Once securely mounted, the shelf feels incredibly sturdy. The product has received mixed reviews from customers. Some praise its functionality and sturdiness, while others express concerns about its build quality. The Klipdasse Wall Mount Kit for PS5 offers a unique blend of features for PlayStation enthusiasts. Its dual charging station, RGB lighting, and USB expansion ports make it a versatile addition to any gaming setup. While the lack of drywall anchors may be a minor inconvenience for some, overall, this product presents a solid option for those looking to optimize their gaming space. That wraps up our review of the Klipdasse Wall Mount Kit for the PS5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.